Here's how you can make this graph animation in DaVinci Resolve. First, let's start with the stroke graph. So take a polygon and view it, zoom out and start out of that box and make a graph. And make sure the last point is also out of the box, and don't forget to connect the path. And let's take it down. Okay, now you can select that polygon and untick the solid box and increase the border width. Now if you want to change the color, you can take a background node and then change the color of that background node and connect the polygon with that background node. If you view the background node, you will see it's that color. Now before we start animating, right click here and select remove polygon polyline. Okay, now go at the beginning, make the length 0 and add a keyframe. Now go few frames forward and then increase the length. If you want, you can Ctrl A to select all and press S to smooth the animation, and here's your animation. Now if you want to make this graph, then select the polygon and remove any animation you made. So let's double click on the length. It will get rid of all the animations. Now copy this polygon and then press Ctrl Shift V or right click and select paste instance. It will create instance node which is connected to this polygon. So take another background node and connect the instance node with that background node. Now connect a merge node after this background node and then connect this background node with this merge node. Let's view the merge node. Now in the instant polygon node, select it, right click on the solid box and select de-instant, and also right click on the border width and de-instant. Check the solid box and double click the border width to reset to 0. Now if you make any changes on the polygon, it will affect both of the polygons. Now to animate it, take another background node, make sure it's black and take the alpha to 0. Then it will give you this transparent background. Now add another merge node and connect this merge node with the new merge node. Now connect this merge node to media out and view it the media out. Now to animate it, add a rectangle and then connect it with this merge node. Then increase the size of the rectangle to cover the whole image. Now when you want your animation to end, go there. I want it to end at 100 frame and select the rectangle and add a keyframe on the center value. Then go at the beginning where you want the animation to start and take the rectangle to the left side. And again, if you want, you can Ctrl A and S to smooth the animation. And now if we play, we get our animation, but it is a little slow. So select the rectangle and in the spline panel, you can just move the keyframes closer to make it fast, and then it will happen faster. And by the way, you can select any one of this polygon and still make any changes you want. You can also increase or decrease the border width as well. And if you want to change the color of this white one, then select this background and change the white color to something else.